Pull up. Headshot. Sit down. Pass out. Waiter. Now the girl rush of people living their life in bottles, swanking at the only flashy titty. Some people like the way they feel, some people wanna kill themselves, some people wanna fill in with the popper. Now that was my problem. I was in the dark room, round two, looking up at round two, not looking to get fucked up in round two, changing my melody in the record on repeat. Took a sip and another sip, and somebody said to me, Carl, why you made me sing? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you need a swimming pool for a liquor, then you dive in. To the pool for a liquor, then you dive in. And I walked a few miles and I wasn't wanna flop. All the girls wanna play Baywatch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor, then they dive.